Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing well. So today I will be presenting for you guys this traditional Marathi attire, this traditional Marathi look with the most traditional Marathi nath and Marathi Mangalsutra. So this is a very requested video from one of my subscribers, one of my prettiest subscriber, and I'm creating the look for you. I enjoyed creating this look and I hope you guys will also enjoy viewing this. So without wasting any more time, let's jump into the video. I'm using the Color Bar Perfect Match Primer on the areas where I tend to get pores, where I tend to get oily during the summer. It generally mattifies those areas and helps your foundation glide on smooth. Now I'm using the foundation, which is the PAC HD liquid foundation. I generally prefer this foundation whenever I am doing in photo shoot or wherever I feel like getting photographed or for any kind of occasion. And I am using a bit of L'Oreal Illuminating Liquid Illuminator in this shade Rose Gold to get that rosy glow from within. This is a good tip to use a highlighter by mixing it onto your foundation so that you can get a dewy finish. I'm using the PAC buffing brush or flat kabuki brush and I'm wetting it with some NYX setting spray. I'm just a very big fan of this brush because this just blends the foundation like magic. It helps you to give a seamless skin-like finish without absorbing much product. And as the brush has a very flat top, it also helps to blend a larger area in a smaller span of time. This is a very highly recommended brush by me. I like it so much. Now it's time for concealer. I'm using the Maybelline Age Rewind concealer and this is in the shade medium. In the areas where I feel like highlighting, and I will use the same kabuki brush to blend it as well. This soft brush helps in blending the concealer in your corners also. This is a highly useful brush and highly favorite brush of all the makeup artists. Now I will be setting my concealer with the MAC Studio Fix Compact. I'm in the shade 40 NC40. This just sets the concealer very nicely. It doesn't crease and it doesn't move from your place after setting it. If anyone asks me to choose only one single product from the brand MAC, I will simply choose this product. This is a wonder product. I'm using the W7 Matte Bronzer to give a definition and depth to my face. It is a powder product and it blends very easily. And now it's time to get a splash from the NYX setting spray just to blend all the powder products. I'm using the Maybelline brow pencil, which is having a powder on one side and a pencil on the other side. A retractable pencil, not the sharpened one. Maybelline does very good brow products. And this is in the shade brown. But the retractable pencil is a bit grey, which I feel. But the powder is almost in the brown shade only. And it is pretty much long lasting on your brows as well. Now I'm using my favorite eyeshadow palette, which is the Lakme French Rose, Lakme Absolute Palette French Rose, and I'm taking the dark brownish shade and just applying it on the crease area to give a gradient look. And after that I'm taking this pinkish shade, reddish pinkish shade, as because it will go with my sari and attire over the lid. If you don't want to waste money on a lot of eyeshadows or anything, you can just go for this palette, guys. This is just a single palette which will do wonder for you. Now with my finger I am taking the golden color to give a foiled look, and I am placing it in the middle of my lids. And if you apply it with your finger, it gives the best color payoff. And again blending it with the same blending brush. Now the Marathi ladies always have a very good cold eyes, very beautiful cold eyes. So I'm using the Nykaa I Am Black Kajal, which is the bold one, the bold I Am Black Kajal, and this is just the jet black Kajal I have ever seen. And I am taking the brown shade in a smudger brush and again smudging the lower lash line, and then again the pink color in the middle part of the lash line. Now I am curling my lashes with the Oriflame eyelash curler. And applying the PAC 53 eyelash. It's very difficult for me to hold the mirror and wear the eyelash, but if you guys want to see a full video on lashes, on how to apply falsies, I will definitely do a separate video on that. Now it's time for some lipstick, and I'm using the Lakme Lip and Cheek Mousse in the shade Brick Bloom. And this is a shade which I cannot describe with my words because I so much love this shade. This formula is very nice. This feels like a mousse on the lips, and overall the shade is like reddish, maroonish, a bit of kind of pinkish. This is a very nice shade, guys. I cannot tell much more about this shade, but I love this shade a lot because I have used it a lot. And I am using the same shade on my cheeks. And then blending it. This is a very nice formula for the cheeks and both for the lips. Now it's time for some highlighter. I'm using the PAC highlighter, which I have already used to highlight the inner corner of my eyes. And now taking this small brush, I am highlighting the brow bones. On the high points of my cheeks. This is a very nice highlighter. PAC has very nice makeup products, and the highlighter, this is a Becked highlighter from PAC. This is a very high voltage highlighter, and this gives a very nice shine. It gives a golden glow. I have used this golden highlighter to match with my attire. And you can see how nice the highlighter is. Now it's time to put on my jewelry, and the look is incomplete without the traditional Marathi bindi. And of course the nath, which is the showstopper of the look. See how much pretty this look is after applying the nath. I have used very minimal product to create this video, and I hope you like this. Please like, share and subscribe if you like the video, and mention in the comments how much you liked it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.